Hello and welcome back guys to another lesson on Adobe Premiere Pro. In this lesson we're going to go ahead and create a YouTube short. Now YouTube shorts are very mainstream in these days. So if you learn how to make a YouTube short, you would be ahead of a lot of people at this time. So let's go ahead on Adobe Premiere Pro and see how we can create a simple YouTube short. We're going to add some music and we're going to make this YouTube short like a music video. All right, so let's go ahead to Adobe Premiere Pro and start editing. So we are back on Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is our interface for today. I opened up a new project because I want my interface to be very fresh, and I would recommend for you to get out a new project as well. Now, first of all, you would need some elements. Now, it depends on if you have shot the clips on your phone or from your camera or from anywhere. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be your video. You can add any video. You can practice with any type of video. Okay, so if it's for your own video, then you might want to import them from your phone to your desktop, then to Adobe Premiere Pro. And for my case, I just downloaded a few clips and I'm going to add another music to it. And let's go ahead and start adding. So from here, I have some clips over here. You can see I downloaded some clips, and from here, I'm just going to import them. All right, just going to drag and drop all of these. All right, so this is one video, and I'm just going to simply drag and drop them right over here, just like that. And to make things easier, I'm just going to minimize everything so I know how many clips are available. And if you look at the project file in the bin, you'll find your files are being uploaded as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to import all the videos that I need. All right, go ahead and select the selection tool and then place it just like that. All right, just go ahead and to take this video as well. I'm gonna place them later. I'm just placing them in different orders for now. Okay, and we're also going to use this video right over here. And also this one. Okay, so we have our clips ready right over here, and I'm going to delete all these audio clips because we don't need the audio. I'm going to add my own audio later. Okay, just click and cut, right click and cut. All right, so we have our video right over here, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. All right, okay, so you can see in your source panel these videos apply whenever you double click on them. Okay, so the first video is this one. I'm going to keep it on the first layer. All right, so I want to add, let's say, this video to the second part. Okay, let's take a look at the video here. It starts off very slowly, so we're going to add some euphoric type of music so it gives us that vibe. All right, okay, so we got this one nailed right away. Let's check out which video is this one. We're going to, let's see, take a look at what type of, okay, so we're going to leave this one for the last. All right, and another thing is not all videos are going to be vertical. Okay, in order for you to set up your video, you're gonna go to this effects option, and from here you'll find this position and scaling and all of these options. You have to set it up if you have something of a landscape video, because most of the videos are landscapes, so you're gonna have to position the scales as well. Okay, you have to get the position right. For this we don't need to because it's already vertical. Okay, so you have to do the vertical thing as well once you're editing. Okay, so here I have this video now. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this for last, so I'm gonna keep it right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and let's see which video is this. Okay, I'll keep this one as well. I'll join it right over here. Let's see how it looks. Okay, no problem. We're going to add a transition later on. So we're just going to keep it. Let's see which this is. We're going to add this one as well. Okay, so this one. Okay, so let's actually add this one after this one, okay? And we're going to add this one right here, right after this clip. All right. And at the end, we're going to keep the long clip right over here where everyone joins in. All right. Yeah. Okay, so we have our video layouts ready. All right, so now let's go ahead and apply the transitions. All right, so I showed you how you're going to get the transitions in another lesson, but here I'm going to show you again. You just have to go to effects and you'll find the video transitions right over here. Okay, there are presets, lumetri presets, audio effects, audio transitions as well. We're going to need audio transitions as well later on, and then also video effects and video transitions. All right. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at this transition, how it's going to move. Uh, let's keep this one just like that, and let's move on to this transition, okay? Let's add a transition over here, okay? So going right up to this clip, it doesn't look that professional. We're going to add some transition over here. Just go to video transitions, and you'll find all types of transitions over here, okay? There are different types of transitions that you can try out, like dissolve. If you want to use this cross dissolve, which is cool, we can add this one. Just click on OK. Let's see how this looks. Maybe this one is too simple. Let's clear this out. Let's try this additive one. This one looks mediocre as well, so let's clear this one. Let's add this film dissolve. Okay, this one is a really good one. Okay, so this one is not bad. Or maybe we should add this to another place, which is this one. Okay, so let's try out film dissolve right over here. Click OK. Okay, we'll keep this one right here, and we're gonna delete this one. Okay, so let's try out this morph cut right over here. And OK. See how it transitions. Okay, so it doesn't support it, so we're gonna clear it out. Let's add this non-additive. Okay, no problem. Let's try it out. Okay, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all. Let's try immerse video. Okay, let's go with not immerse video. Let's go with iris. All right, iris box, iris cross. Not even this one. We're not gonna go with page fill. What about wipe? Let's go with zoom. Okay, so cross zoom. Okay, it could work, but still it doesn't look that good, so I'm just gonna clear it. Let's go back to dissolve. Okay, let's go back to dissolve, and we're going to use this, say, cross dissolve. Or maybe let's just move this away. Let's give it a slide. Let's try out the slides over here. clear out, center split. Not this one as well. Let's try out the simple slide. This one looks too simple as well. Okay. How about whip? Okay, so let's keep this one. All right, I'm gonna keep this one, and for this part, yeah, we're gonna keep this one as well. Okay, and then it just goes, it transitions into another one. All right, so we're gonna add another transition over here, and I'm going to look for, let's say, immerse video. Let's go with Irish VR light rays. Okay, okay, so this one doesn't look bad. Okay, so the transitions are done. I might add another transition later on, but that depends on the music. Okay, totally depends on the music. Now, if I want to add an intro transition, I can do that as well. All right, so let's go to, let's say, slide. Let's get one simple slide over here. No, not this one. Center split. No, not this one either. I'm looking for something that is, let's say, opening it up. All right, perfect. This one is perfect. All right, so we're gonna keep this one. All right. Okay, that transition is done. Now let's go ahead and apply the music. All right, so the music is very important since this is a music video we're trying to make. All right, so I'm gonna go back to my folder where I downloaded the music. Right over here, this is the song that I used. All right, a pretty good song. Let's adjust it right like this. Okay, now let's play it, see how it looks. Okay, let's play it again from the beginning. So the second clip, it just matches with the audio perfectly in my opinion, so I'm just gonna leave it just like that.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars.
All right, so that goes good as well.
I get so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out.
All right, that works too. Okay, so let's take a look at this transition closely.
Violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
All right, so I want to add another transition right over here.
Be my night sky. Always be my night sky.
Right over here. Okay, so I want to add another transition right over here, so I'm just going to use the razor tool and cut it right here. Once it is cut, selection tool. Now let's go ahead and add the transition. Go to effects, and we're looking for something something that flashes out. All right, so we're gonna go to immerse video. Let's use this Morbius zoom.
My night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
Okay, so we have our video ready right here. All right, so another thing is I need to cut the audio right over here because the audio is really long. Okay, if I keep it like this, the video will just keep going on with a black screen and the audio would have been gone. It would have been very boring. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cut off the audio right at the end. Okay, right at the end, I'll just use the razor tool, slice it just like that. And once it is done, select it, slice it again. Didn't happen the first time, so now select it. I'm just gonna cut it out. Okay, after this is done, I'm not done yet. Okay, so if I end the video just like that, okay, so it doesn't look really good, so I have to add another transition at the end of the audio. All right, so to add audio transitions, it's simple. You'll find it right over here, audio transitions right here, it's written. Okay, just go and you'll just find one crossfade audio transition and you'll have this exponential fade at the end. All right, so the music just fades away. All right, so let's use this one, and now let's take a look how it looks. Okay, so it just ends just like that. Okay, so we don't need to make some dramatic ending, just need it to end. Okay, so because YouTube shorts they don't allow you more than like 60 seconds, I don't know, something like that. Okay, so keeping it short is better. Okay, so we have our video ready. So let's take a look at our video now. Okay, so fully we're going to take a look at it from Adobe Premiere Pro. We're not going to export it because exporting it in high quality, it's going to take a lot of time, also a lot of power. So I'm just going to show you how this happens right off the bat. Okay, let's start it.
See your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Alright guys, so that was the video short that we created. You can just export it right away and then use it on your video YouTube channel. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something, and if you have any problem, you can ask us, no problem. With this, I'm going to end this lesson right over here, and I'll see you in another lesson.